problem with niche cultivation. What are the problem we are facing in the niche cultivator? Already we learn about that. Britain turned to their demand in European. We are seeing the Indian indigo. That time what is the problem we are facing? Land should be fertilized, and second, the land should be large land they required, and third, blocks should be there, and operate this cultivation required the hands, so many hands they required. And again we are seeing here plugs they required, thousands of plugs, and 2,000 of bullocks they required. 1 bighah means the unit of land was divided, 1 bighah means 25%. That 1,000 plugs they required, 2,000 bullocks they required, and that time so many hands should be operated. This people is not a joke people, children, we are learning to use this much, and that time forcibly they have to cultivate the indigo in that land, and land should be fertilized, and that land should be used for the rice cultivated. The peasants they are not unhappy with the cultivating the indigo. Indigo on the land of rewards. We are seeing here the land should be cultivated. How? We are seeing Satta agreement should be there. What agreement? The village headman will take the sign or contact sign should be there. What sign? At least 25% of land should be used for indigo. That should be forcibly. That force, and that time the people are, what will do? Forcibly the village headman. That also the pressure with the village headman. And that time, and we are seeing here the cultivating, after the harvesting, before the cultivation, the loan was given by the East India Company. Loan, continued loan will be there, and the loan harvesting, again they deduct all the loans, and again new loan was started. This is a circle, cycling, continue, it is not ended. Peasants are fed of this loan, they are not able to pay the, why? Forcibly they are giving to grow the indigos. And again these all the problems, settlements, permanent mineral system, they make that fixed revenues are there, and that everything people are against. And that time the blue rebellion was, and after rebel means against to the planters. In March 1859, the planters, indigo cultivators, Rhodes means cultivators, they are against to the planters. They boycotted, socially boycotted, and they are started, women also started to bringing, they went to factories and started the planters beaten. They who are coming to take the low rent, and they also beaten. We are seeing here, and Gomastars means they are coming and taking the loan from the people. The people are started beating the Lathias. Lathias means bodyguards of the planters. They came, and people also started to bringing them and everything. And this rebel was started throughout the, and that time local jamindars, village headman also involved in this revolt against to the planters. And this message was got to Queen Victoria. She think after the 1857 it should be not happened, but it's happened in 1859, and she was worried, and she sent the intellectual from Calcutta, go and take the survey what happened in Bengal, why people are against, why they are not interested to grow the indigo. And that time intellectual taken to that time, they know what is the massive the planters, they forcibly, and that time Queen Victoria, she declared no one should grow indigo in future. Those are interested, they can grow, but remaining they are not. And these planters, and that time militant was sent to protect these Lathias, Gomastas and planters, and so many people that time they have protected. And that time these planters, Bengal, they shifted to Bihar. This happened. Again we learn about the Mahatma Gandhi, he visited Champahar in Bengal, Bihar. At that time what is the condition is there. That time also Mahatma Gandhi also involved to against the planters indigo. This chapter we learn about this, how the East India Company make the revenues forcibly taking, and this after that we learn in the next chapter, next lesson. Thank you.